What's up, lawn care family? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. So today I'm out with my guys. I'm not dressed to work. Got on shorts. So I'm just watching my guys as we try to develop this system on how we want to service our customers. Now, a lot of times I'm seeing my guys, they tracing over top of each other, doing extra steps that's not necessary, and we want to develop zones that will help us improve our time when we're servicing customers. Well, guys, tell me what you think. What's your system in servicing the customer, reducing the time in their yard? Not like you trying to just run through their yard real fast without servicing them properly, but doing it in a manner where your guys are not running on top of each other, your guys is not missing spots, your crew not doing the things that actually allow you to lose a client. So here's my thoughts, guys. If it's three guys, one person start with a stick edger, the other person start at the corner of the house with the weed eater, go around the house, the perimeter of the house, like you're just gonna circle it. And once you get back to the front, the stick edger guy should be already finished with stick edging the property, okay? Now, once that stick edger guy is finished, all he has to do is get a weed eater and go on the outside of the perimeter. So remember, I had one guy start on the inside. Now I got the stick edger guy starting on the outside. The one who has started on the inside, his job is to make sure that he get around all the trees, all the little things like that. You see what I'm saying? So what's your guys' thought? And they supposed to meet each other. Now, the guy on the lawnmower, the zero turn, their job is first things first. Do 2 perimeter laps around the property. 1 time, 2 times. Once they do 2 times, they finish the front first. Why I tell them to finish the front first is because if it's finished, the guy who's finished with the weed eating, he can come and blow the front, and now you are in the back or on the sides trying to finish up. And then after that's done, they can walk the grounds to see if you left any of the clippings in the grass. You see what I'm saying? So hopefully I explained that thorough enough so you guys understand. Plus I had a lot of noise going on in the background. So I'm trying to develop a system to where they're not crossing over each other. So hopefully I get this thing right, because I still see my guys doing what they want to do, and we're not reinforcing it enough to where it's without them thinking. Because sometimes when you get somebody new, you don't want them to have to figure it out. You want that system already figured out, so all they have to do is just step in. So then it wouldn't matter whether or not you lose somebody or not. You just put somebody in that spot and they know where they need to be. I think a lot like sports, you know. You have a play that's designed for a certain yard, and that's how you're gonna cut it. I mean, you only have but a few types of yard. You got a flat yard. You got a flat yard with a gate. You got a hill yard. You got a hill yard with a gate. You got a yard with trees and no trees. See what I'm saying? So with a hill, you're gonna cut it a little bit different than something that's flat. That's just pretty much. And the weed eater guy has to help you level some of those spots that you may go a little deep in. So, you know, I'm just trying to come up with a strategy. If you got any ideas of some of the things that you're doing in order to, like I said, speed up your productivity, still have the good quality of work, get guys on the same page working as a team, and I need you to tell me where we should start, where we shouldn't start, where the stick edger should start, where the weed eater should start, where the mower should start. I gave you my ideas and solution. My guys just ain't executing like I would like to. They doing okay, but they can do a lot better. All right, guys. Cut on, line family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.